is Jerry the Scoot God, and I'm going to show you how to whip. So basically what I do is, well, first you got to learn how to move it with your hands. Just sit here, do this for a while, get used to the motion. Try catching it every once in a while. Like one foot, other way, it don't matter. Another way to do it is just getting used to whipping it and hopping off. I mean, you could just full send it and try it. So the way I do my whips, I skate too, as you can see. So when I do my whips, I don't just like use the bottom of my foot, because I kind of lose traction. I kind of flick it like a kickflip, you know? That being said, with like the kickflip part, it's kind of more in the hands. That's just to guide your deck to go the way you want it. So this motion is critical. You want to sit here and get this down, you know? Oh. Okay, so when you when you're in midair, you could either catch it, or you can kind of just like let it hit the ground and land on it. Here, let me give you an example. This is the ground catch, I guess you can call it. You just let your back wheel hit like very softly, and then you jump on it. So when to catch it in midair, you're gonna want to hop a little bit higher than you would normally, like for the ground catch. So when you hop and you do the whip, when you catch it, you want to either, I do it with my left foot, my back foot. When you catch it, you kind of like want to have it at, I don't know, a little angle, and then bring it back so you can land it. So you don't get whacked in the shins or just completely destroy yourself by missing it and going over the bars. Kind of like this. So when you're attempting to land the whip, you're gonna, of course, miss the whip completely and possibly hurt yourself. You're gonna go over the bars eventually. It's gonna happen. So when you're, if you're really honestly scared about hurting yourself, you know, you could whip, catch, and land with one foot. Or do the ground catch, like I said. Commitment is key. Keep trying, don't get discouraged. You're gonna get hurt, it's gonna happen. Once you learn this, you're gonna be able to do it up things, off things, go show it to your homies. This is Jerry the Scoot God, and this is how to whip. Make sure you like the video.